God.
Well, that was
Do
it.
you
I
have,
guess.
do you have another one for
Good.
us?
Yeah, can I keep going?
Yeah, maybe don't put
If
your
you
mic
have, like,
in your
if you-
in your throat.
If you
Don't
have
put your
like,
mic in your mouth.
if you have like a full like song of burps you want to do, like feel free.
What?
It, like,
I didn't prepare that much. Fuck.
the more you can amaze us.
No, stop.
All right, silence, please, while he burps.
Oh, it's so cold. It hurts.
Mm, the classic.
Okay, dude.
Fucking throwing up his whole like intestine. Jesus.
Please, in case there are more.
What?
It hurts. Alright, I'm
He's
done.
trying
I'm
so
done.
hard.
I'm done. I'm done.
He's
Ah,
done.
I'm
All right,
bleeding,
thank
dude.
you, sir. Please pick
And-
the next person.
Please
Note.
No, hold on.
Oh.
First, let's go. Move us down, Ian, so we can discuss.
Someone else do it.
Let's just
I'll
go.
I'll
you
do
do
it.
it.
I'll do it.
I'm gonna get like a 1 or a 2. It felt good though
Let's
getting
see
it
how
out.
Note
That first
does.
one was like, it was too loud. It didn't even work.
Really? Did my mic cut out?
Pretty much.
Ah, fuck. It was so loud.
It just
I
turned
think
into
it
like
was too
compression.
close to the mic.
Yeah.
Well, he made me hold it in. I was ready, and he's like, "Nah, not yet." I'm like, "Ah, fuck."
Already drank everything.
Yeah, dude. It was like almost all the way gone. I'm like, "It's now or never, boys."
I got my Baja Blast ready.
I'm gonna get the
X-
lowest score because Vex doesn't
X, I
like
have
me,
that
so I want to
feeling
go
down
first.
in my
Just get out of the
gut,
way.
ready to let out a fucking roar.
Oh, you got it.
Dude.
You're ready for it.
Oh yeah, it hurts. It hurts, dude. I'm drinking more soda.
I'm adding more soda to it.
Can I just concede and go
You're
back
here.
and sleep?
No.
No. Okay, actually,
We already started without you.
So I'm hoping my score is really low, so it's a good like barrier for you guys. You know, like
Alright,
the work.
I'd like to resign my official
No.
concession. I'm not
No.
participating. Good night,
Yes,
everyone.
you will. What's this?
faggot. All right. So what's my score?
You will.
We're not
get it-
telling you yet.
We'll tell you at the end. So we'll tell
Yeah,
everyone
so
the
we'll
score at
have
the end.
everyone go on stage and then we'll press the button.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good.
All right, so Connor hit the dispenser there.
Yeah. That was a star. What a star player. Wonderful. All right. Introduce yourself, then, Bert.
I am no. I'm the rich part of the server, and here I go.
He's already really unfunny. Wow.
I think I
Wow.
spit-
Wow. We don't need any more talk from you.
Is that good or bad? I don't know.
It was so short. Is that it?
I think it was bad.
That was.
I didn't even get the try. I spit up and all that shit.
Oh my
You
god.
spit up. I hate you.
I can
No.
I can like force myself to burp, so I can just make them like insane and fucking
Oh.
like vomit practically.
I basically vomited right now.
Yeah, but I don't need
Oh
soda.
my
like,
god, I
I'm
hate
pussy.
you so much.
I just-
Are you just going straight for the fake
I
burp?
got my Baja Blast
fake
hooded.
burp? Hear this.
No. I know what you mean, but like,
Ugh.
manufactured. Why not? Yeah.
Oh, that's lame.
Dude,
No,
how
that's
can my dear
disgusting.
stand this, dude? He fucking
Dude,
hates it.
I mean, he said he would do it.
Yeah, no, he did. He put himself in it. Yeah.
Ugh. I have to get that out of my
I
stomach.
like how
because that
everyone's
hurt.
warming up and just burping constantly.
Getting the
Or-
vocal cords ready.
or recovering.
Oh, it hurt. Like it was like a bullet.
Dude,
Ugh.
if you guys want to make yourself burp, just swallow air. It's so free. So it just works. God, no, we get it. Don't do it in the mic.
You don't need a burp anymore.
Yeah, you don't need to burp.
Alright,
He dude, he
no.
kept going after you guys left.
No.
This
Nope.
No,
who did
pick
you
someone.
choose? Who did you
What?
choose? Who are you choosing now?
Oh, who's funny to do this? Hooded.
Okay.
Hooded.
Ryder.
Ooblaw.
Also, it is also the winner. Let me put it. It is also an option for you to not take your prize. Definitely an option.
To not take your what? What'd you say?
You don't have to take the game.
All right,
You
yeah.
just
If I
don't.
win, which I definitely won't, I won't take the prize.
That
Okay.
what's up, Discord.
No.
All right. What is your name? Date of birth? What is your favorite creek? And let's hear your burp.
Oh. Thanks.
My name is Hooded. Formerly known as I don't give a shit. Anywho,
Okay.
I was born in Battle Creek, Michigan.
There it is.
I've had a tough uprising to get to this point. And I'm excited to burp for you guys.
Give him the
Okay.
star. Give him the
Alright.
star for that one. Give him a star for that one, Connor,
Yeah.
please. That was
Star, please.
beautiful.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Length
Wow.
is good.
Okay.
Impressive.
Do you
Fair
have
enough.
any more? It's fine if you don't.
That was probably the only one I want to
That-
do because my
How do you
son-
throw the
That-
fireworks?
That
All
was
right.
impressive,
All
man.
right.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Hey, how do you throw the fireworks? I
My
have it in my
fucking
hand.
dude, that one was festering. That one was
Right
sitting there
click.
for a
I
while.
just dropped my can of bubbly water. Oh no.
Oh, that's not good.
It's gonna be
Yo,
all
I don't know
foam.
if any of you guys are from Michigan, but Burners gives you the fucking burps.
I don't know what that is, so no.
Hey, I have
It's
right
the-
click, and it doesn't.
I got
Do
like
it.
I have
God,
Dr
I'm
Pepper,
sorry.
zero sugar, cream.
It's like a
soda.
Michigan-made ginger ale, and it's strong as hell.
Oh, like spicy?
Like yeah,
Like
like
ginger spicy?
it burns your fucking
Yeah.
stomach.
Yeah.
And then you burp like a motherfucker.
Dude.
It is ridiculous.
That's why I like Moscow mules.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
those are so good, dude.
that one was festering. That was a good one. Had some length. You know,
It was
good.
pretty
Do you,
good,
do
yeah.
you do
Did
it
it
with
cut out at all, or was it
do you
like?
do it how you're supposed to with
Little
vodka,
bit,
or
but
do
it
you
was
do
pretty
it
good.
with whiskey?
No, vodka.
Vodka, all right, yeah. that
Vodka
would
and
be
lime
it.
juice.
Yeah, yeah. I have all the ingredients at my house, but I quit drinking like a year ago. But I
Oh,
still
yeah.
have like a copper cup.
Yeah, dude, I love the copper cups.
Yeah,
Okay.
that shit's
All
so
right.
good. I
Who you
always order
picking
that.
next? Hooded.
I usually
pick
start with the
game.
Long Island and then just do
All right,
Moscow
game.
all night, unless I switch to beer.
Long Island's are good too, yeah.
Here I go.
This is gonna
Here
be
I
good,
go.
dude.
Here I go.
Right. Give us a name and a burp.
My name's Mr. Game, and this has been my dream for years to be on the stage. I've been watching your show ever since I was a toddler. I'm so psyched to be here right now.
We
Thank
love
you.
to hear that. We love to hear that. Thank you so much. We're glad to have you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We have one thing though. Hold on, just one thing. On the sheet on the register, we have you listed as Mr. Crawford.
Oh,
What is
yes,
this
good,
alias
yes.
of
This
Mr.
is-
Is this
this
just
is a
some sort of
discrepancy.
lie?
It's
Can you
like
explain the discrepancy?
show name. That's my show name.
Oh,
Oh, okay,
of
okay.
course. Okay. All right, go ahead.
Jesus. Are you all right? Damn, you're straining yourself.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. We're gonna go discuss it. We're gonna go discuss.
Dude, you gotta do
Still
stand up. I
going.
swear to God, dude, you gotta
Jesus
do stand up.
Christ. Wait, who's left? Is it just
Start
Chief?
now, dude. You're
Yeah,
young. That's where you
I'll
get in.
go. Yeah.
Is Connor competing?
Oh yeah, Connor, are you playing? Damn, $60 just down the drain.
I'm betting Hooded would win, or
Nah,
The
no
turn-
way.
it's either between, not to lie, Chief or X. If Chief,
They're gonna pick X just so Vex doesn't have to give away
Yeah.
$60.
Bro, if I win, I'm gonna make it clear now. I want Spore.
Nice.
Spore? Oh, Spore, dude. Oh
It's
my
it's
God.
like $4.
Spore. Yeah, it's
Oh
like-
yeah,
oh
it doesn't have to be 60. It's just any game.
Any game
yeah,
under
yeah.
60.
Yeah, I forgot that he said
buy
that.
you unlimited like shit if he wants to, like all fucking silver for death.
Ow.
That'd be a dick dome.
I'm gonna make him buy the clown DLC and
Oh.
then by do it. Just
Oh, that's actually good.
Jesus
Well,
Christ.
he's-
Okay. So
Jonathan
what? We
Game the
just need
third.
Connor and
it's
Chief,
just
right?
it's Chief. Connor said he's not playing.
Oh, okay. Okay, Chief.
Oh no,
So
X.
you're-
Just
Oh
me?
no, X went. X went.
X
Yeah, I
Men,
was first.
Yeah.
All right, Chief.
Bonk.
Wow.
All right. Name of
Press it, Randy.
birth and the burp.
Name
So-
of
Um,
Name of
So my name's Chief. I'm a
Okay.
Canadian, so you probably hate me.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
It could be a woman though. Could be a woman.
Could
be
be.
Brett.
I'm from British Columbia.
Oh my.
I'm
Does
currently
British have,
pouring
like,
my drink
relatives
into a
there?
bottle so I can drink it faster.
Okay.
Hey,
Oh, you heard
I
that?
think we need
Oh,
security over
man.
here. Security.
Security.
Security. There's
Where
a
is
guy
it?
over here assaulting me.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Damn.
Oh,
Okay.
His name's
Oh,
Neville.
oh.
all right. Is that all?
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Still
the
going. It's
hardcore.
still
The
going.
hardcore. I love to see this sort of
Do you,
passion.
do you have any more? Oh my God.
Oh, there's the
That was
winner.
it. That was it.
That was
that's
it.
fun.
All right, all right.
You
Okay,
just
all right,
knocked everyone out of the park, dude.
Yep.
Impressive.
All right, let's move.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good
you
news,
should
Spore
win
is,
because you're the best one, and also you'll just get spore. So it's like a win-win for vets.
Yeah.
Spore is Wait, but how would that work? You're Canadian, right? So it's
I should have switched mics. I didn't even
Canadian
think of that.
dollars.
I'm using my fucking headset mic. I
Yeah,
should
gonna
have
buy
used
some-
my actual mic.
He's gonna buy
You're using
Spore
a
with
real
couple
mic,
of
right?
toonies.
Dude,
I didn't
or
even
like
think of that.
some loonies.
Yeah, he's gonna send you some loonies and toonies in the fucking mail so you can go buy Sport. Jesus. Oh my god. Canadian currency. Shit's indestructible.
Yeah,
The
dude,
paper.
plastic money is
It's ridiculous.
insanely nice. Also, it smells like maple.
Literally got my Canadian
Money smells like
citizenship
maple.
just for COVID to happen, and now I
The-
can't go to Canada. It's so epic.
Ouch. Yeah, our money actually, like the hundreds, smell like maple.
Oh, that's
Wow.
kind of sweet. The biggest
The hundreds in
exchange rate,
America
$50
smell like
bill.
cocaine.
Yeah.
See, our old fives used to smell like that, but like
Our dollar bills smell like stripper buttholes.
now it doesn't matter because ours are made of plastic, so they're much more sanitary.
How the hell does that work? Can it roll and like bend and shit?
Yeah, it's
like
just
normal
like
money,
a
it's just-
it's like a really thin layer of plastic.
You
Is
can't
it
tear
similar to
You
like
cannot tear
British pounds, like the bills?
I
Like
don't
it's
know what those
super
are
shiny?
like. Yeah, it's really shiny. I mean, it has British people on it. Like our 20 has the Queen.
Yeah.
Indestructible. You can't tear them. You can't cut them with scissors. It's impossible.
You can definitely cut them with scissors.
I tried and it didn't work. All right. That's all I'm saying.
You're using little kitty scissors.
Yeah, I was using little kitty scissors. That might
Dude,
be
the
why it didn't
remnants
work.
are at the bottom.
Dude, no, always. You make the burp, and then there's like that little bit at the bottom that it's just you can feel
It
it,
just
but you
doesn't
can't
want
get
to
it
come out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
right.
We'd like to call all participants to the stage here.
Gotcha. Do we have to hold hands and do like a stage bow?
Yes.
Oh boy.
You gotta click the button in the back.
Shut up.
I'm gonna hold hands with notes. Somebody else do it.
Okay. Line up
wanna hold
side by side, please. 6 feet apart. We are.
So
Oh,
once we
yeah,
announce
6
the
feet.
winner, if
No, it's 3 feet
everyone,
now. The Democrats are in power. It's 3 feet.
if
How do you?
So,
if
so we're
everyone-
so we're gonna
hey.
review some scores here. We're just gonna review scores. So I'm not gonna name any of them. So we
Oh
have.
shit! I forgot to mention. No, stop. My bad. My bad.
So
Okay.
this one would be. I can't believe you didn't put the full scores on these hoes. I gotta do the
there
math
wasn't
real
enough
quick.
space to fit 3 on a page. Then
These are the roses.
Yeah, but like. Okay, I get you.
Imagine the crowd's just thrown these and not us, and that they're also roses and not fireworks.
Hell yeah.
Kind of cool.
Throw my meat.
Just throw in pork.
So
Yo, why you got
to
ham in
have-
your pocket, bro?
I
Here,
got that
guys.
meat. I'm packing.
Oh wait. Oh wait, no. All right. So I have all the scores here
Sabotage.
tallied up. Are there any final words any of the contestants would like to say? You know,
I was so happy to be on this show. It was my lifelong dream. Yeah, I'm happy to be here.
Okay, you already
I
said
It's
have
been
that.
an honor.
You guys couldn't hear it, but I farted as well.
Okay.
Do I get extra
Ooh,
credit?
burp and fart.
we're
No, we
gonna
couldn't hear it.
take off some points.
No, I was just kidding. I was just kidding.
Okay, so we've got 5 total scores here. A lot less than we were hoping for at the initial auditions. So we have X Addict first here on the list. We gave him an overall score of an 18.5. Can we get a round of applause for that? That is quite a respectable score. I thought that was really a really good score. So X, we gave you a 4 in length, a 8.5 in power, and a 6 in sound. That is where your points were given.
Nice.
Note lock, we gave you a 16.
well, you gotta say the total. Oh yeah, okay.
We gave you a 16, a 2 in length, a 9 in power. You really just grabbed the burp by the balls and really gave it to him.
It's the
And then your sound was a 5 because it was kind of shit. So we gave you that's an overall of 16. Now we're coming into the final 3. No offense here. So we've got. I'm gonna tell you the scores. We've got a. Well, okay. So we know who the last 3 are. Who would like to know their score first? Who would like to know their score first?
I would.
So game. Since I know you love the show and you always want to come on, it's been such a great honor for you. And I can
Yeah,
tell
I'm
you
so happy
really,
to be here.
I can tell you really gave it your all. Now I don't know what kind of medical problems you have or anything or any disabilities, but we on this show, this is not America's Got Talent. This is not X Factor. Like we do not care if you have cancer. So what I'm just trying to justify the fact we had to give you a 0 overall because we thought I personally was seriously worried about your health, and during that whole quartet whatever you were like I was only hoping for it to stop because I was truly worried about your health.
I love how he's like, we do not care if you have cancer.
We do not care. We do not care.
So
We do
you know,
not care.
so your length, we gave you a 0 because it was just a bunch of little just a bunch of little burps. Your power,
Sounded like you were choking.
It sounded like you were dying, yeah. And then your sound, very ungraceful, very ungraceful. That was an actual 0. And then power, we thought it'd just be funnier to give you a full 0, so we had to make your power a 0, where you probably would have scored like a 6, I would say. We were thinking like a 6, right? For actual, but we had to, someone had to be the bottom of the barrel. So I'm so glad you were so looking forward to coming on the show. It means a lot to us, and we're really glad you participated.
Well, actually, I have one more surprise for you.
Oh no.
For you, Vex.
You do.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Well,
I'll
this one- this
come
one-
on stage.
He's coming down. He's going to say that.
Okay.
He wants to
Okay.
get up and close.
No luck one. I'd
Good
appreciate
security,
it if you
get
went
a
back
little
up on stage.
closer.
No luck one. I would appreciate if you went back
Here,
up on
as a
stage.
bonus, like showing
Uh-huh.
from me, I'm gonna beat this little kid up for you,
Wait a
and he's
minute.
gonna be under the cum tree.
Okay, good. Okay.
No luck one didn't want to live in the same world as Mr.
Can we raise the
Game.
score for that?
I
might should raise the score a little bit.
I will. Okay, so now we're down to
You can have an overall but one.
Chief and Hooded. Chief and Hooded. Who wants to know their score now?
Yeah, I'll learn.
Okay, so Chief, we
Oh,
give
still.
you. Oh
What?
God.
Guys,
Yeah, no shit.
I'm throwing it
retard.
back. Look.
Chief, we gave you a 5 in length
A
because
5 in length.
even though it went on for a long time,
It was
like
kind of
multiple-
interrupted.
It
Yeah.
was a little bit interrupted. There were multiple burps, so we had to. I mean, the only reason we gave, I don't. Anyways, power. We thought power was very respectable. We gave you a 7 out of 10 for that. That's a pretty good score. And then for sound, me, Madeir, Snoopy, we were blown away. Our hearts were just encased in the burping sounds. It was like I was watching
Thank you.
a romance movie with a beautiful ending. We gave you an 8.5 on your sound because it was truly beautiful. So that gives you a total score of 20.5.
20.5. All right.
20.5.
Ooh, nice.
Okay.
Hooded.
Gotcha. Hold on, facing the wrong way. All right, go now.
Now I would like to ask you, if you were to win this prize money, what would you be doing with it?
For Honor. That looks like fun.
For Honor, the $80 game.
It's like $15. What?
Oh, it's only $100, really? That's wonderful.
If it's not on sale, I won't take the prize money. Or if it's not on sale, I won't take the prize money.
It's on sale right now.
If it's like $15.
Shut up, Note. Holy
Damn.
shit. So, Hooded, we gave you a score in the 20s as well.
Damn. Okay.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So,
Gotcha.
you were given a 7 in sound.
Sounds good.
That is very respectable. Chief got an 8.5, slightly beating you out. Then you got a 5 in power, where he got a 5 in length. So right now you're 1.5 points behind. So you needed someone to bring it back. I just want to know how would you feel if you won?
I'd say cool.
Okay.
Wow.
I'd say cool. I'm better than everyone else, and note included. You know.
Wait, Snopes, do you want to burp?
Hold on, Chief, why are you here?
What? I burped.
He's participating.
Oh, nice.
Snopes, do you want to burp? If you get in the next 1 minute, I will allow you to enter the contest.
No.
Okay. All right,
yeah,
Hooded, you, my friend. So, you reached the only one in burp history. You reached a 10 out of 10 on not X. It's not X. It's Hooded. It's not X. It's Hooded. But you reached
Wait a
10
second.
out of 10 online.
We got
You
Nick
reached 10
Signals
out of
here.
10 online. Congratulations. You ended off with a score of 22 flat, beating Chief out by 1.5. Congratulations, you have won. You won.
All right. For Honor, $6. You work it over.
No, it
bitch.
has one.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be wholesome. You know what? Take my prize money and buy Chief's Spore.
Awesome.
With my money, buy him Spore.
I am very grateful.
Spore.
No, Spore costs $20 for Honor. Only costs
Four costs
$6.
$20.
All right, well, never mind. I'll take For Honor.
I thought four was literally $1.
When is it gonna say that I won? There we go.
There we
All right,
go.
guys, stop now. All right.
Stop it.
All right.
All right,
I'll
Madeir.
do it on
AOT
car. I'll be right
time.
back.
Yeah.
Time.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
Wait, you guys are watching it together?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do you want to?
No.
Or no? Okay. Well, why? Okay. Whatever then.
I just want to know why.
All right, Connor,
Are we
you want to
going
like
captain?
upload
Yes.
that to YouTube
I
or
would like
something?
I've been
I
banned.
won.